Snow started this morning, a bit late. It's not been too bad. The tree's still up on day something or other. 620 something probably. I'll have to look at the calendar. Anyway, she's still up. We had a hawk visit today. I think we're missing a squirrel. I saw him swooping down and grab something. It was one of the boys. There's two more here still. I'm not very happy. Otherwise it's quite cold still, and the snow is going to carry on till tomorrow night. Not worth blowing anything yet, it's too feathery and there's not enough. It's going to carry on anyway. Plus the wind's going to pick up and blow it all about. So that's what's going to happen today.